Hello guys. So on day 3 of the apartment renovation, now the living room has been plastered and let's say wrapped in fiberglass net. From what I see, this wall entirely, it looks really nice. So right there you can see it. Really cool. Here also, I like the fact that he removed the he cut the standoffs of the radiators, so it looks really clean. On this side also, on that part, from what it looks like, it still remains to be done tomorrow. So this part right here is still the old paint, but it's all good. This wall again entirely. The gas pipe will be shortened. I never used it like this ever since I removed the heater that was here, and there was the exhaust of the burnt gases. And I will still let it through the wall right there, so I will put this cap up there. So in the future, if I will want to connect anything else to methane, I'll be able to do that. But honestly, I really would like to see a fireplace right here on this corner. I see this valve is still here. I really hope it will disappear as well. It really looks odd. Right here, some fiberglass that was left exposed. Just for now. And everything must be dried as well as possible. On this side, again, some work was done for sure. Here also, where you can see those wet spots. Here, one of the stands was cut. This will disappear also, and yeah, here it is. So yeah, next week, from what I've understood, these two rooms, the bedroom and the living room, will be finished entirely, and up next the hardest part will be the kitchen. You can see with all this old paint and old walls with layers of plastering and concrete and sand and cement. Yeah, this will be way harder than these two rooms, but hopefully everything will turn out just fine. This is about it. Thank you as well as in the other days for watching me. I wish you all the best. In case you have any questions related to this project, although I'm telling you, I am really ignorant when it comes to renovating anything. But if you have any questions or would like to find out more, feel free to ask them in the comment section below. Until next time, I wish you all the best, and take care wherever you are. Bye bye, guys.